Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you six ingredients, for healthy hair growth and things like that. So I got all this products from the Dollar Tree. You can pick them up from the Dollar Tree. That's where I got it from. So I'm gonna mix everything together for all of that growth on your hair, for your hair to grow. Like for some of us, it takes a long time for hair to grow, so we're not gifted in that department, so we have to use extra help for our hair to grow. So today I'm just going to show you these six items, like I said, or you can use whatever Vaseline or grease or whatsoever you can find from the Dollar Tree and put your own together. So this is my own that I found to put together. Okay, so the first thing, all of these products are from Softee. So if you don't know what a Softee is, this is the brand right here. Okay, so this is a Softee thickening revitalizing repair formula. This is a growth oil. So yeah, so this is what it looks like here. So this is a growth oil. So this is what I will be mixing with the rest of my Softee products. Okay, so this is one, and the next one that I have, this is coconut oil. Okay, so that's why I said if you don't want to buy these from the Dollar Tree, you can make your own DIY as well and create your own growth oil or scalp grease, to help you grow your hair. So here it tells you what coconut oil does, a hair and scalp conditioner. So all of that, and then read the back as well. It tells you all of the ingredients and things that helps you for preventing dryness, breakage, and split ends, and protect your hair, all of that. So I picked up one, and then I also got this bergamot, whatever that is. So it prevents hair breakage as well. So I got one of these as well. Let me know how you pronounce this. Bergamot. Okay, bergamot. Okay, so I picked up one. And Arbor Grow, I pick up one. And I pick up this hair food, which I think we all have used before. And then the argan oil. Okay, so now altogether I have 6 products right here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I'm going to create my own container, and I'm going to put on top of here hair growth oil or Vaseline, scalp, whatever, on the top of it. So I purchased this container from Dollar Tree. Is for $4. So this is a great one for you to buy. They have other kinds as well, but I chose this one. So yeah, you can just use a marker and then mark the top, and then once you start, you know exactly what it is. Okay, so now I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. So come on in and let me show you. So again, these are the products I'm going to be using. So yeah. Okay, so now let's get this together and let's mix everything together. So we're just going to pour everything here. This is very easy, so it's self-explanatory. Just watch me work, okay? guys, so I'm just gonna use the rest of it that I have on my hands, on my scalp. This smells so good, y'all. So I spent what, $6 for this growth scalp hair growth oil. Well, not oil, this grease for my scalp, for my hair. So you guys, if you're looking for something more affordable that will make your hair grow, do that as well. So you know this gonna last me for a while. Ooh, smells good. Look at that. Smells really, really good. Look, really good. Imagine I mix 6 ingredients in here for $6 from the dollar store. But like I said, this container, you can use a bigger container, but as you see, I was a little bit struggling to mix it because of the product. I should have put it in a big container and then actually make it easier for myself. Yeah, but I didn't do that. So yeah, so this is gonna last me for a while, you know. So yeah, if you're looking for something to grow your hair, do this. Like I said, you don't have to use all the products that I use, so you can use maybe 2-3 products and then keep it moving, you know. So I still have my growth oil here. I might use it. Sometimes I just use this because it has this cap, you know. I just twist this and then just put it on my scalp itself and just massage it like that. So anything that will make my hair grow, I'm with it. So guys, let me know what you think about this DIY. Is there something that you want to make? You know, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.